morning time, huh? The race is over, and Luke is doing. He's my brother, and Pixels too. There we go. Hey, sis. Hey, what's up? Oh, nothing much. I kinda miss the big ship, but it's fine. It's getting repaired, so true. Actually, it's here. Wait, why? What? The ship? Yeah, it's actually here. And with pythor on it. Pythor. I'm ready to serve you, master. Don't let them get you. You have lightning power. Yeah, I know. I have other powers to go to. I am not ready to go. You are my servant. Lightning staff, ready. Lightning ship. I'm ready to serve, master. Pythor, you need to charge when you got there. You're on the team. Yeah, I know the rules. The age of extinction will come to an end. Oh, Megatron is the new man. And he ordered me to eliminate Pixel. Commandant did his duty, and he's still an animatronic. Yes, master. Meanwhile, back at the hero base, at the animatronic charging station, he says, "What are you doing?" You know, do that, whatever. Same old, yeah. Oh, I invent a new weapon. Wait, you did? Yeah. Let's do this. Oh, what's it called? Let's just say Let's just say really? Yeah. Look. Whoa. It's in that front door. You ordered it? Oh. It's not a new weapon I built. It's an old weapon in the military. Used it. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Yeah, this weapon is dangerous, but it would do its part. Yeah, we definitely need to upgrade our weapons area. Someone will come, so. Oh, yeah. Done with this. You done? Mm-hmm. Wait. I detect lightning signatures. Put upstairs now. Come out wherever you are, Pixel. Oh no, pythor. Whoa! Oh no. The lightning power. Get you green power up. Armor on. You know, sis? Be careful, I know. Just do your job. And I do mine, okay? Alright. You my big sis, by the way. Yeah, when this battle is over, we are going to do it. We are ready to. Let's go. Hey, you waiting for me, pythor? You change your body. Yeah. But you change your looks. Oh, human farmer princess. You know, she was up, sister. She's up. Let's take this on the boat. You know, this is different from the battle we did with Garmadon. Garmadon is not my boss anymore. And neither are you. What about Luke? Oh, Luke? No. Luke is different. He's my brother. My brother! No! Oh, here we go again. Hey sis. Hey Lebo. What's up? He did it. You got another lightning power? Well, he is the lightning power. I know, I was making a joke. I know you are. Green power? Sword mode! I wish I had pants. I know. You miss your pants, do you? Yeah. And now we know. Dress. Sister, that's not on the topic right now. I know. Make sure you direct the gun system on the ship. Oh, that's over, but he's in the trunk now. Yeah, I know. Look, get our sister safe. What about you? I will handle him. Let's go, come on. No! Say goodbye to you, little sister. Sister, no. Whoa. The lightning rod is almost close. I have my own stash of swords, remember? Of course. You forged them from our father's grave. No. Our father is still animatronic. You still don't believe me. You are elemental master of the disc. Yeah. He changed me into this. Pythor. You don't understand. Oh. I'm the lightning master. There's another lightning master somewhere. And I'm going to find him. Oh. That's already. We need Toy J on. Now. Toy J. Hello, Pythor. You. Toy J, you are coming. Let's finish this already. Sorry. No. Master, I caught. Ah, good. No. I caught the word. Expecting. Now. No, sister. Ah! Rescue my sister now! Luke! Georgie, no! No, brother, go. Sister, it's fine. Let me go. No. Go. Keep moving. Sorry, Jay. What was that? Whose master is that? That was Pythor. The pythor. Lightning pythor. Human pythor was gone. My battery is not dead yet. I can still fight. Here comes another Luke adventure. Luke? No. We need to do part 2 on your channel now. It's your story, sister. Not mine. I sure go. Big wig. Big sis. Sorry, sis. My race is tonight. Alright? Alright. Alright. You will rescue her. I tell you that. And I will help. Don't worry, I will charge, okay? But I will help, okay? My other one is coming too. Hey. Father? Yeah. I'm still animatronic. Don't worry. From this day forward, the battle will be coming soon. I know. And this is why we fight. Go big, sir. This is why we change our names to the Lightning Ninjas. Father, you need to rest. No. I've been charging since season 1. Let's get our end game on. Here. Use my lightning on. Thank you. Let's go. We need to rescue her. Don't worry. I got a ship waiting to go. Wait, you built a ship? Yeah. Remember the Destiny's Bounty? So guys, that's part 1, and I will do part 2.